An apprentice connects wires like this, wrapping them all together. He even boasts to his master about going solo after his apprenticeship. This method simply won't work. Let me show you how an experienced electrician connects wires. Electricians usually use a fan-shaped wiring method. How is it done? Look at the difference between the master and the apprentice. The wires are first separated like this. The two wires are separated slightly longer. Then, the copper wires are fanned out, completely separating them here. The same for the other wire. After fanning them out, they are perfectly aligned. After spreading them, this is the effect. Completely fanned out. Then, the two sides of the fan shape are completely interleaved. This ensures a larger contact area. Then we use our hands to smooth this area. Then, rub it slightly towards the sides until it reaches the middle. This smooths this area. After tightening, gather the wires again. For example, at this position, start wrapping the wire directly. The wire you wrap like this, because each internal copper wire is intertwined and in contact. It will be very strong. Simply wrap and cut. Cut off the excess at this point. Same on the other side. Wrap the copper wire directly. Turn by turn, tightly connected. The wire joint made this way is flawless. Then cut off the excess. No matter how you use it or pull it, the joint won't come undone. Sharing with you.